The Bose Soundbar System Bundle pairs a thin, powerful soundbar with a compact bass module and universal remote. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your system. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside is another box, which contains your Soundbar 500. This envelope contains a quick start guide and important safety information. Next, you'll see the power supply and the universal remote. Beneath this insert will be 4 AA batteries. Let's take the time to insert them now. You'll also find an AdaptIQ headset and an HDMI cable. Beneath this other insert is 2 power cords. And finally, you'll see one more box which contains your bass module 500. Okay, now let's set up your Soundbar System Bundle. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of the TV. Place the bass module along the same wall as the TV, or along any other wall in the front third of the room on a stable and level surface. Connect one of the power cords to the AC power adapter. Plug the AC power adapter into the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end of the power cord into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on, and the light bar glows amber when it's ready for setup. To complete setup, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. It's important to note that it's not searching for your bass module at this point. Leave it unplugged for now because we will be adding it later. Once you see your soundbar, click Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi. Name your system. Set up sharing settings. And for tips on connecting it to your TV. Now it's time to pair the bass module. Connect the power cord into the power port on the back of the bass module. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The status indicator on the back of the bass module will blink amber. Back in the app, tap Yes, and then tap Get Started. A scan will begin searching for nearby accessories. When it discovers your bass module, it will connect automatically and display a check mark to confirm. Tap All Set to continue. Your bass module will emit a tone, and the status indicator glows solid white. Follow the remaining app instructions to run AdaptIQ and to add any compatible voice assistants in your region. These steps can be completed later at any time if you skip them. By default, the universal remote will already be paired with the soundbar. If your remote isn't paired with the soundbar, follow these instructions inside the Bose Music app. Tap the soundbar image in the lower right corner, and then tap Settings. Underneath Universal Remote, tap Advanced, and then tap Pair New Remote. Follow the app instructions to pair your remote. If you want to adjust the sound of your system, close out of Settings and tap Adjustments. Here you can increase or decrease the bass, treble, and center channel levels. Your Bose Soundbar System Bundle is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.